These airbags can hold up to 600 psi and they are extremely durable and resistant to damage from wear and tear, inflation shock, or just outright abuse. Their outstanding construction provides extreme durability and reliability. Featuring large half-inch air ports for faster response, 7.7 inches stroke for the 2500 type airbags usually used in the front and 9.7 inches stroke for the 2600 type airbags usually used in the rear. Definitely airbags designed to outperform.